So, I've just spent some time with the new Bajaj Pulsar NS400Z, or should I say the updated 350cc version with the GST benefits. And here's the honest takeaway. First things first, the biggest change is under the tank. Bajaj has swapped the older 393cc engine for a 349cc unit, and yes, on paper you lose a tiny bit of power. But in real-world riding, it still feels like a proper punchy street machine. In city traffic, the bike is smooth, manageable, and surprisingly easy for something this aggressive looking. Out on the highway, that mid-range torque is where it shines. Overtakes are effortless, and it still feels stable at triple-digit speeds. Now the interesting part, the price. Because of the new GST Slab, this bike suddenly becomes a lot more accessible. And that's really the whole story here. Slightly less engine, but better value. What hasn't changed is the classic NS DNA. Sharp styling, ride modes, good features, and that Street Fighter stance that still turns heads. So is it worth your money? Honestly, if you're expecting a pure track weapon, no. But as a value-packed 350-400cc everyday performance bike, it still hits hard. Verdict: same beast, just smarter pricing.